getting our instructions.
No bumping, no pushing. That means no road rage. That means you can't do whatever. And that.
She's talking about my daughter.
What's going to happen? You're going to be just like this. You'll look like an idiot. I have heard racing back there. Get a little hole back there. You got to slap on your bald head.
All right, we've got our instructions, and no bumping, no pushing, no driving recklessly, any of that. So we've got to abide by the rules. You know I'm going to do that. Our son, his daughter, our granddaughter, boyfriend, and the Monts family homestead chief. Here we go. Yeah, you broke my GoPro bracket. It wobbles like that.
It's been like that. You're all right.
I'm messing with you. These go-karts are a little bitty. Got to go, people. This is, of course, this is one of the kids' tracks anyway, but our granddaughter and son couldn't ride on any other than one because they didn't have a two-seater cart. I've got to catch up with that one right there, especially. Oh yeah, we put a nail her there. All right, well, man. Okay, that was not fair. That was not fair. All these guys over here they got a ramped up engine, man. They blew by us like nothing. Both of them just wow. Yeah, there wasn't nothing to do there. Here we go with track number 2. There they are over there. And Lenny's somewhere back there. Grayson's back there. This one's 1,150 feet, something like that. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I know it's probably not the greatest video because it's just my GoPro, so I didn't want to bring something up here that's going to get torn up. $150, $60 for a GoPro is okay. And then want a $700 camera or a $1,200 iPhone. No, I didn't want that. We're gonna take a break from the go-karts and let our granddaughter ride a couple of things and maybe get a couple of shots of her. There they go. What are y'all doing? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. Nope, didn't like that one. Nope, didn't like that one at all. We're gonna like this one a whole lot better. There we go. There we go. That's kind of my speed too. Hey there. There we go. On the inside of here, this is this NASCAR. I can't remember the name of it. I have to look at it and see. They got all kind of stuff in here for kids too. Of course, no kid wants to be in here unless they're outside riding go-karts. All right, we're through at the go-kart track, and we're going to. Oh, this is pretty cool. The 3 bears up there and under it says Jesus saves. Ah, cool. But we're going to a place. I got what's the name? What's the name of this place?
Three Bears General Store.
3 Bears General Store. But we can also feed the bears, so hey, that's gonna be cool.
Hey, sweet girl. You
I
want
don't know
now?
about that.
Baby, here. Okay, you, ow.
Look at that bear.
I see that bear.
I think she will go in the water.
You think she wants to go in the water? Say go, bear.
Mommy.
See, it's okay. Look, she's going now since you said something. You want down?
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go in. Let's go in.
I actually think that's Papa Bear.
Papa bear?
Is it Papa Bear?
Let's go in.
No, we can't go in.
You can go in there.
No.
But they're very nice.
No, I don't know if they're nice or not, honey. They're going to sleep. What they're doing, he's going to his den.